Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at what gold will be giving us for the next day, which is for the 31st. One thing I know for this gold is that we can see that this is actually an uptrend move. And that one thing that I also know is that a drop, massive drop will be coming soon. Maybe it should be visible by next week. But as at now, we very much not likely to get that massive move. Maybe one more movement upward. That is exactly what I think might probably play out or happen. Maybe one more movement upward, at least to a level of 1950 or 1956. Well, I'm going to give an update on that soon, by the way. But to be able to predict this price for the next day, which is 31st, first we have to see what this moment is playing out. We can see that there was an impulse move, then a pullback was made there, a new impulse move was made that took out the previous highs, and then a pullback. So one thing that I'm expecting next is actually a push up. So for the 31st, which is next day, I will be expecting a bullish move down to the 4 hour time frame. So you can see this 4 hour time frame. There is a multiple rejection here. Like you always see, always trade what you see and not what you think. What we might be thinking is that, what we are thinking is that price would actually continue to go bullish to take out this ice, right? That is what we think, right? In the long run, we would know if we are correct or not. But right now, we would want to predict price for the next day. This is why we would be able to go to the 4 hour time frame, and we can see that there are multiple rejection here. So guys, expect a rejection at this level, thereby go bullish. So it has actually, still the same movement we'll be expecting, a bullish move. So let's see if we can hit a level of 1935 or even close to it. So this gold, right, guys, we should actually go bullish. So if price will drop, then no problem. If price will continue the bullish move, then still no problem. But first, if you are watching it, I think we should take the buy to a level of 1935. So I've also done some analysis and some trade that I'll be taking for the next day to my Patreon subscribers only. So if you are interested, you can actually check the link below, give it a try, by the way. And one thing is that once you actually subscribe to it, you won't be charged immediately. You will be charged next month. So first of next month. So if in case you actually subscribe and you are not interested anymore, you can go ahead and cancel the subscription. That is just one of the benefits you have. So actually check it below. And I also did analysis that I'll be posting I'll pin it to my channel above, which actually made a lot, that trade. So you can actually check it out, by the way.